Hello everyone, I wanted to do afternoon group. So let's do our rules song. Ready? Eyes on teacher, listening ears, You should have calm hands, and a calm body, It's a little chillier out today, a little colder, it's cool. So I'm wearing a fleece because it's a little cool. Sometimes that happens in the spring, right? Remember the 4 seasons? It's spring, summer, fall, and winter. Those are the 4 seasons. For group today, we're going to talk about the farm animals. We're going to talk about them, and then we're going to read a little story. And then you're going to help me count different animals, and you're going to help me find the right number. Okay? That looks like a pig. All right, so first, let's do the farm animals. Are you ready? It says farm animals. Chick, pig, sheep. And who works on the farm? A farmer works on the farm. Who works on the farm? A farmer. Nice. What's next? Goat, a barn, a rooster. What does a rooster say? Cock-a-doodle-doo. That's right. And a donkey. What's next? Duck, horse, cow, and a hen, or a chicken, you could say. All right, let's see. Miss Amanda's going to pick 3. All right? E-I-E-I-O. And on this farm there was a... What's this? Pig. Good. E-I-E-I-O. What does a pig say? With an oink oink here and an oink oink there. Here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on this farm he had a horse. Good. E-I-E-I-O. With a neigh-neigh here and a neigh-neigh there. Here a neigh, there a neigh, everywhere a neigh-neigh. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. We did a pig. We did a horse. Let's do one more. So on his farm he had a... What's that? It's a cow. Good. E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there. Here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a... Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Good. And Old MacDonald, he's a farmer. He works on the farm. Nice job, friends. You guys have this at home. You can look at. All right, now we're going to look at a few pictures and some questions, okay? This says, the farmer works in the barn. Who works in the barn? Who? Who works in the barn? The farmer. That's right. Remember? Here he is. The farmer works in the barn. All right, good. It's a little... Sorry, let me just do this. It was a little sunny. It got sunny all of a sudden. The animals eat straw. Who eats straw? Does straw eat straw? Or the animals eat straw? It's the animals. Who eats straw? The animals. Nice job with that. All right, let's do... The farmer feeds the animals. Who? When we're talking about who, it's a person. Who feeds the animals? The farmer. That's right. Nice job. The farmer feeds the animals. Good. Who? Let's see. The sheep walk in the field. It says walk, walk. The sheep walk in the field. Who walks in the field? Who? The sheep. The sheep walk in the field. Nice job. Thank you for doing those with me. All right, good. So who works in the barn? The farmer. Who eats the straw? The animals. Who walks in the field? The sheep. And who feeds the animals? The farmer. Good. All right, next, the last thing we're going to do you remember? We're going to count. Count. Okay. What are these? These are pigs. Let's see if you can see them better. Okay. Pigs, good. I can see that better. Let's count the pigs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many? 5. Can you see the number 5? Yeah, that is number 5. Let's put our little clip on 5. That is 5. Good, 5 pigs. Nice job. Let's do another one. Okay. Oh, this person works on the farm. Who works on the farm? The farmer. How many? 2. 1, 2. Do you see a 2 over here? That's a 2. Nice job. Let's put the clip on the 2. Good job. 2 farmers on the farm. What are these? These are cows. They say moo. Let's count. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do you see 8? That's right. That's 8. Let's put the clip on 8. Good. Nice job, you guys. We did pigs, farmers, cows. These say neigh. This animal says neigh. It's a horse. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Can you see the 3 over here? That's right. That's 3 right here. Let's put the clip on 3. Nice. 3 horses. Let's do one more. Let's do one more. These are, I guess you would call these geese. They're geese on the farm. Let's count the geese. 1, 2, 3, 4. That one's tricky to see. Can you see 4 over here? That's 4. Nice job. We're going to clip number 4. Great work. So, what did we do today? What did we do? We talked about the farm animals. Animals you find on the farm, or people, right? The farmer is a person. And you can also see a barn on the farm, okay? We also answered questions about the farm. That was great. The last thing we did, we counted the farm animals, right? And you told me the number. And we used our clip, right? That was really fun. You guys did a nice job with that. And I will see you later. Have a great day. You guys are doing a nice job. You're doing your work. You're staying safe. And have a great day. I miss you. Bye.